Let's now talk about two very important theories which contributed to our knowledge of how species evolved through time. One of these theories was developed by Lamarck and the other by Darwin. Let's start with Lamarck's theory. According to Lamarck, a trait which is used more and more often by a certain organism becomes bigger and stronger with time. Conversely, a trait which is not used starts to disappear over time. The traits which improve with time would then be passed on to the offspring. So take giraffes for an example. Imagine that in a certain territory where a family of giraffes lives, the trees where they feed from start becoming depleted of leaves on the lower branches. Through this theory, the giraffes would then start stretching for the top branches more and more, which would then mean that their necks would become longer with time, and then this trait would be passed on to their offspring. Unfortunately, this theory is not true. If it were, for example, hairy women who spend their lives shaving and waxing would only need to do it for a while, and then all that undesired hair would magically stop growing. Yes, that would be nice, wouldn't it? This theory would mean that simple organisms would simply stop existing, as they would keep improving and developing their traits, and as we know, that is not true.